How to use advanced feature in Facebook. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you use advanced feature in Facebook. To use advanced feature in Facebook, you could follow the simple steps. First thing first, open the Facebook app and then log into your account. And to use Facebook feature, navigate to settings and privacy. So simply tap on the profile from the top right, scroll down and go to settings and privacy, and then click on the settings button. You could also enable professional mode for your profile to access audience insight, enhance safety mode or tools, and monetize options as well. And for business user, advanced feature include creating and managing ads using moderation assist in a group and adjusting advanced streaming settings for live video as well. So basically you could go ahead and do it in a personal profile account as well. You could just turn on your professional mode from your profile menu to insight on your content and make your profile eligible for monetization as well. And you could also add featured photo to your profile to highlight important pictures or albums as well. So these are some of the advanced feature in Facebook that you could use. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.